We are running.
This is my first gift from Lotto, and I'm so excited to open it actually. And this is all just happened for YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. So let's open it. Wow, it's amazing, man. And the song is too amazing. I love this song, but I love this too. Wow, I will enjoy it. Oh, whoa, whoa. Actually, it's amazing. Thank you, Lotto. What? Oh, really? What is it? It's a Lotto logo. Okay, so every road you take, oh, oh, it's been a long day, my friend. It's really amazing.
We are running out of time. What are you going to do with the time you have left? I say that if you don't reposition yourself, you could miss the best time in your life, in this season of life. Because we have got to change the way we think. We have got to change the way we function. We have got to change the way we deal with issues. And the reason that you have to begin to reposition the way you think and the way you function and the way you feel is that